I've been in your waters. I know I can for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Wow, it's nice.
There's my office.
Smells
Say it already.
How do we open the window?
Wait, mommy, is this up and down?
Try that. Oh, ayun. No.
What about this one?
Oh, right there.
It's a moment of truth.
Oh, the toilet. That's
Oh, a telephone. Nice, nice, huh?
Oh,
That's cool. Toilet with telephone.
it's nice. Okay, let's close the door. We don't want to break the glass. What's in here? Oh, and there's slippers too. 2 robes. I think that's an extra blanket. Slippers. See? What is this? Oh, hair dryer.
All I need is a crowbar and a key card.
5. Oh, look at their water bottle. Espresso. Ooh. Adjoining room.
I can't hear you.
Ito yung ginawa nila yung pag-series tsaka ni ano, John Lloyd.
Hey!
Connecting
That's so creepy.
Ito sila na chismis.
And then we're gonna open that
This and this.
thing. Watch this.